In this video, I will show you 4 ways to attach a felt mask to head. You can use the one that suits you best. Prepare 2 ribbons 50 cm long, hot glue and a lighter. First, secure the ends of the ribbons with a lighter. Then glue the ends of the ribbons on the sides of the mask. Finally, put the mask on face and tie the ends of the ribbons. You will need hole punch and 1 mm wide elastic band. Its length will depend on the size of the child's head. I need a 40 cm long elastic band for my 6-year-old son. In the places of dots, make holes with a hole punch. Choose the largest size, mine is 5 mm. Insert the elastic band into the hole and tie its end. Repeat the same on the other side. For this stage, you will need 6 mm wide elastic band and a length of 36 cm, hot glue, lighter, and plastic cord lock with 2 holes. Secure the ends of the elastic band with a lighter. Insert the ends of the elastic band into the plastic cord lock and slide it to the center. Then glue the ends of the elastic band on the sides of the mask. The last method is very simple. You will only need hot glue and a wooden stick. It can be an ice cream stick, an end stick that you can buy at the pharmacy, or you can go to the forest with your children and look for a similar stick. You need to glue the stick in the middle of the mask on its left side. I hope this video was helpful to you and you will find your own way to finish the mask. I will be very grateful for your likes and comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye!